Hello students, I have given you some homework. That is question number, I think so, question number 2 of your exercise 1.1 and question number 4, question number 7 and question number 8. Right? Now I am starting question number 3. Question number 3. You can open your book. I do not have here book in PDF, so I am simply write here. I will write here and you can match in your book. Now question number 10. Part A of question number 30 is, what is question number 30 saying? Simplify and find the absolute value of following. We have to find absolute value, means absolute value means our value will come in positive, right? If it is in negative in and determinant in this bracket, it will come out of this, then it will become positive, right? That is called absolute value. So here 35 it divides by minus 7. That is your first question. Now let us solve it. 35 is divided by minus 7, right? I can write it like this. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. So your answer will be, there is a minus will go up, then there is a minus 5 in determinant. It will come out of this, then it will become 5. So that is your answer, right? This is your absolute value. We call it a absolute value. Now question number B. See your question number B. That is indeterminate. Minus 152 is divided by minus 19, right? I can write like this. I can write this it like this: minus 152 upon minus 19. Minus will be cancelled out, right? And 19 ones are 19 and 19 8 ja. If you cut it, it will come 8. So here indeterminate, it is 8. It is here positive, so it will remain positive 8, right? Now question number C is minus 144 divided by 16. Let us solve this. We can write it like this: minus 144 upon 16. When will you cut it? It will come 9. 16 1 ja 16, 16 9 ja 144, right? So here it is minus 9, right? When it will come out of this bracket determinant, it will become positive. So that is your answer. Minus will become positive, plus, right? Now come to the next question. Next question is question number D. Let rough this. Question number D. That is minus 20 minus 50 minus 15 divided by 3 minus 2 in determinant. So here you cannot solve like this. first in 20 and 15, like, or first 3 and 2. You cannot solve like this. Here you have to apply a rule, that is BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. I do not know you have aware of this rule or not. I will explain you. B represent here bracket. In BODMAS, B represent here brackets, right? O represent here orders, right? Orders, brackets means you have to solve first bracket. Now orders means like x square or under root x, like this types of value, right? This types of value. D represent here division. D represent here division. Now M represent here multiplication, multiply, right? And A represent here addition, and S represent here subtraction, right? This is negative. Means you have to first solve bracket, then order, then division, then multiplication, then add, and then you can subtract, right? You cannot subtract first these two, means you cannot direct go to the subtract, or you cannot add any two. You have to follow this rule, means you have to first solve bracket. This two will not come right now. So here you can see first you have to solve division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtract, right? You have to follow BODMAS rule, right? Understand? Like this. In this question, first we have to solve division, and here it is in division, right? We have to solve first this. How? See here. Now write this value as it is, minus 20 minus first we can solve a bracket. First we have to solve bracket. Minus will be plus, minus multiply, so it will become plus, then 50, right? Then this 3, I can write this 3 in this way. In this 3 I can write like this, 15 upon 3, right? It is in division. Here minus will be plus, so it will become plus 2, right? So here I have solved bracket here as well as then after division, right? 15 upon 3, bracket and then division, right? Now next 20 as it is, you can write it like this, minus 20 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, plus 5, then plus 2, right? So it will be minus 20, 5 plus 2 plus 7. Now minus plus will be minus, so 20 minus 7 is equal to 13, and greater digit sign come of a greater digit, so here it is a 20 is a greater digit, so here minus will come in determinant, right? If this value come out of this determinant, this bracket, so it will become positive. 13 is your answer here, right? I think you have understand this and this as well. Now come to the next question. Question number E, that is -12 into -10 divided by 6. Here also we have to apply BODMAS rule, right? Here we have to apply BODMAS rule. So let us apply it. 12 as it is into -10. -10 will be as it is here upon 6. I can write like this, right? Now here you can cut it from here, like 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, right? I have write it like this way, but there is a multiplication sign, so you can cut it directly from here, right? So here it will be 2 into minus 10. It will become 10 to the 20 minus 20. When it come out of this bracket, it will become positive. So 20 will be your answer. Next question. Question number F. 34 minus 16 divided by 8 minus 10, right? Now you have to solve first this. Apply board mass rule. Minus 16 upon 8 minus, this will minus will become plus, minus plus, right? So here you cannot cut like this. There is a multiplication sign, that is why you can cut it, but here in plus or negative you cannot cut like this. Any digit. 34 minus 8 1 ja 8, add to the 16, minus as it is 2 plus 10, right? So here 34 and 10, it will become 44 minus 2. 44 minus 2 will be 42. Now 42 is your answer here, right? Like this way you can solve, you can find absolute value of any digit. Now I am not solving here question number 4. I am not solving here question number 4. I did not receive photo of any one of you, because I have given you homework of question number 4 and question number 7 and question number 8, but I did not receive photo of any one of you. So I think that you did not done homework, but I am not doing your question here, and I need this question in your fair work. Means you have to do this question. If you have done this, then you should send me. If you have done, you have to send photo of your copy, right? So I am not doing this 3 question here. Question number 4 question, this is your homework, and I need this question in your fair copy, right? I need this question in your fair copy. So you have to solve this, otherwise how you can write in your fair copy? So do this question, right? Now come to the question number 5. These are the simple question, very simple. Only you have to do subtraction, multiplication, division and addition like this. Now question number 5. An integer when divided by minus 3 give 96. Find the integer. When an integer divided by minus 3 give 96 means when we divide any integer by minus 3, it will come 96. We do not know the number of here, right? We do not know the integers. So let the integer be x. अपन क्या मान रहे हैं? x, right? So let us x. Now from here you can transfer this 3 to other side of the equal, then it will go on denominator, numerator and in multiplication, right? Numerator with multiplication. So x here as it is, if you transfer this 3 here, then you can see it will go like this, multiplication in multiplication. It will go in multiplication. You can write it like this way. When you multiply these two, it will come 288. When you multiply this two, 96 into 3, when you multiply 96 into 3, it will come 288. So here sign is negative, so negative sign will come. This is your number, this is your number, right, integer number, which you divide by -3, it will give you 96. Second question, question number 6. An integer when multiplied by -7 gives you 199. Find the integers, right? There is some integers. If we multiply it with -7, it will give you 119. So find the integer. We have to find this integer. So let the integer be x. We are taking here x. When we find out the value of x, then it will be our integer. Now there is a multiplication. So when we transfer any number with which is in multiply to the other side of the equal, it will go in denominator, right? Like this way, 119 upon -7, like this way, right? When we divide this 119, right? When you divide 119 by 7, so it will give you 17. It will come 17. So x is equal to here our 17. There is a sign of minus, so minus will come. These are our integers. This is our integers. This is our integers which you multiply by -7. It will give you 119, right? These are the two questions. Now I am not solving here question number 7 and question number 8, right? Yes, question number 7 you can solve like this way. I think that I have completed it in question last lecture. Let us see once again. I am considering here one question, that is question number C. Let us take this. Here -3 -0 is equal to -3. So you can take LHS, left hand side. If left hand side will come your right hand side, if left hand side will come to equal to the right hand side, then your answer will be true. Here you have to find true and false, right? If your left hand side will not come equal to the right hand side, then your answer will be false, right? Like this way you have to solve this all. Like this question number D. See the question number D. -7 plus 0 equal to 7. So if you solve, let us take LHS, left hand side. -7 plus 0, so it will come -7. So it is not equal to RHS, because here our RHS is 7. So it is not, it is a false statement, right? And in the question number 8 you have to just simplify, you have to multiply it. Now come to the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First question of exercise 1.2. Add -13 plus 34 using the commutative property. I have teach you this all properties, right, in our previous lectures. Commutative property, associative property, closure property, distributive property, all these properties I have taught you. Now solve this question. -13 plus 34 by using commutative property. So apply commutative property by applying commutative property. You can write, what is the commutative property? A plus B will be equal to B plus A, right? So here this is your A and this is your B, so you can write it like this way. A plus B, this is A, this is B, so you can write it like this way. 34 plus minus 13. This is your A and this is your B here, so you can write it like this way. Now solve it. 34 plus minus 13. 34, 3 minus 4 minus 3 1, and 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. It will be 21, right? Your answer is 21. Now see the question number second. Add 23 plus minus 17 in bracket, then bracket close, plus minus 19 using the associative property. So associative property, by applying associative property, what is our associative property says? A plus B into C. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C will be equal to A plus B plus C, right? Will be equal to A plus B plus C. So here it is our A, it is our B, and this is our C. So we can write it like this way. So 23 plus, in bracket, minus 17 plus minus 19, like this way, right? So let us solve first these two. Here it is equal sign, plus minus 17 plus minus minus, so minus 17 as it is, plus minus minus 19. Here 23 plus 17 and 19, so minus minus will be plus, minus minus will be plus. So here it will be 36. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 1 is remaining, 1 over 2 plus 3. Then sign come of minus, right? Sign come here minus, negative, because both the digits are negative, so sign come negative. Now 23 plus minus minus 36. Here it is plus and here it is minus. Plus minus will be minus. 36 minus 23 will be 13, and sign come of the greater digit, so here 36 is greater than, minus will come. This is our answer of question number second. Now come to the question number third. Multiply minus 14 and 13 by using closure property. Closure property is just saying that multiply this directly. Minus 14 into minus 13, you can multiply by directly. Minus 14 and minus 13. So here minus 14 and minus 13. So 14 into 13, right? 14 into 13. So it will come 182. When you multiply these two, it will come 182. But which sign will come here? Minus will be plus. So here plus will come. Minus will be plus. This is your answer. Question number 4. Minus 11. Multiply minus 11 into 23 plus minus 10 by using the distributive property. So our distributive property says that applying distributive property by applying distributive property says that A plus B into B plus C in bracket, it will be equal to, we can multiply this by first this and then second this one. So A into B here it is sign plus, so plus, then B into C, A into C, again first A into B, then sign plus, then A into C, like this. So we can write this into this form. Let us write it. A, this is A here, B, and this one is C. So A into B means minus 11 into B, 23, plus 11 minus 11 into C, minus 10, right, minus 10. Now multiply 11 into 23, multiply 11 or 23 into 11, so it will come 253. It will come 253. 253. Here which sign will come? Here it is a minus and there is a plus, so minus plus will be minus, then plus as it is 11 into 10, it will be 110, right, but sign minus minus will be plus, minus 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 and minus will be plus, so this sign here come plus, right. Now you can add this to, you can solve this like this way. This is minus plus, and minus plus will be minus, minus plus will be minus, so when you subtract this to 253 110, it will come 143, right, it will come 143. So 143, but which sign will come here? There is a minus plus, so which one is the greater digit? 253 is the greater digit, so sign come of the greater digits, so this one minus, here will come minus, minus 143 will be your answer. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5, you have to fill in the blanks, right, you have to fill here blanks. So I am taking question number A is a simple, you have to do it. I am taking here question number B. Question number B, there is a filling the blanks, sign is division, then 234 is equal to 1 minus 1. 234 is equal to minus 1, right. So here we do not know what come, so let us assume here x, assume here x. Now solve it. X divided by 234 is equal to minus 1, right, I can write like this. Now this will go to the if I transfer this 234 to other side to the equal, it will go in numerator, so like this way, minus 1 into 234, right. When you multiply this 2, then it will come 1, if you multiply 1 with any digit, so it will come same 234, but here it is, the sign is minus, minus plus will be minus, so you are filling the blanks is value of x is minus 234. When you divide minus 234 with 234, it will come minus 1. Like this way you can solve, you can put x on the filling the blanks and you can find the value of x, right. So you have to solve here. Your homework of exercise 1.2 is question number 5. You have to do all part of question number 5, then question number 6. Question number 6, it is the same, question number 6 is the same as the question number 7 of exercise 1.1, right. You have to do same concept as these two are the same. Question number 6 of exercise 1.2 as question number 7 of exercise 1.1, right. So you have to solve this thing. Question number 5 and question number 6 and question number 7 of exercise 1.1 and question number 8 of exercise 1.1, right. This 4 and question number 4 as well of exercise 1.1. This is your homework. this 5 question you have to do, and I need a photo of all of the students, right? If you are not understanding this, that how to solve this question, then text me, sir we are not able to solve this question, or send photo of your copy, जहाँ तक भी आपने सोल्व हुआ है, जितना आपसे सोल्व हुआ उसका फोटो भेजिए, राइट? बट आई नीड अ फोटो ऑफ एवरी स्टूडेंट्स. That's all for today. We will meet on next lecture.